Hi guys, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody is doing well, and I want to welcome you to my channel. I have a really quick and super cute DIY today, and I am sitting here next to my Cricut because that's what I'm going to be using today. That you will enjoy this quick video. It is really quick and easy, and I think it's so cute. You actually could do this project without a Cricut, and you'll see why, but I'm going to be using my Cricut today and I'm super excited, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you'll stay there for my next video. I love you guys. Bye. Okay guys, and this is all I'm going to be using to make this project: a beautiful frame from the Dollar Tree and this beautiful printing paper that I have with a little boy and a little girl kissing. It's so pretty. And so I'm not going to be using the print that comes with the frame, so I'm going to open up the package and just remove all of that. And so I am going to be using the beautiful paper with the little boy and little girl, so I need to cut it to size. I'm going to use the cardboard from the frame in order to make sure I cut it to the right size. This paper that I have with the little boy and the little girl is so appropriate for this project. And so I'm also going to cut a piece of white paper so that I could place it under the printing paper, because I don't want any of the cardboard color to show through. So I'm going to be placing a white sheet of paper under the pretty paper that I'm using on top. So okay, so now I already have all the writing that I want to print out from my Cricut, and it's, oh my goodness, I saw this little decor piece when I went to Mount Dora, and I loved so much what it said that I took a picture of it, and so that's what I'm going to be using today. You'll see, it's so adorable. Okay, so I'm going to pick out the correct paper that I'm using, and I'm using some matte vinyl. And I've chosen the black matte vinyl for the letters that I'm going to be printing. And so I'm using the standard grip matte, which is this green one that you see. And I've placed a piece of the matte vinyl paper on there, and I've sent it to print now. And my Cricut is cutting the letters out. Okay, you guys, and as you know, I am a newbie at this, so what I've done is I took out the black matte paper from the green matte. I've pulled it out, and now I am weeding the parts of the black paper that I don't need, and I just want to leave the letters on there. Next, I'm going to be using what they call transfer tape. And so this is what's going to transfer your letters onto the project that you're going to be making. So I cut a piece of the transfer tape, I peel the backing off, and then I place it right over the letters that I want to transfer. And it's like a huge piece of tape that sort of picks up the letters so you can transfer them to the project that you're making. Once you remove the white paper and you peel it, I'm trying to transfer it over to the tape part right now, and then I'm just going to go ahead and peel off the tape, and those letters are going to be stuck to the tape. Those letters have their own tape, so then you transfer it onto the project that you're making. I hope that this is something that you understand, because it is a little bit complicated if you don't really understand how to do it. Trust me, I've made a few mistakes in the whole process of trying to learn, but I hope that you can see what I'm doing here. See, the letters are already stuck to the tape. Now I'm going to place the tape exactly where I want it on my paper, and then transfer it by using that scraper and just making them stick. And I've been holding off on you seeing exactly what it is that I am writing on here, because I just find it to be so pretty. And so I'm gonna go ahead and now peel the tape off, and the letters will stay stuck to the project paper that I'm working on. And like I said before, you really do not need a Cricut to make this project, because you could either use stick-on letters or you can just paint your own letters, and you can also use like a stencil to make your letters. So you can make this project without a Cricut, is my point. So that's it. My letters have been transferred into my project paper, and I can reuse this transfer tape again. So I'm going to be putting the backing back on it, and I can use it again for another project. Okay, you guys, so now it's time to frame what I've done. And here it is. I can't wait for you to see it. And it says, "Every girl deserves a man that will ruin her lipstick but not her mascara." And isn't that the truth? Wouldn't you agree with that statement? I certainly do. I think it's adorable. I just fell in love with it when I saw it in Mount Dora, and I really like the way that it turned out. I hope that you do too, and I hope that you will be there for my next video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.